Backwards.
I must slope down a little too. I think
Yeah.
if I can do that. You want me to give you a little push? Okay. Steer the wheel. Here. Turn it.
That's like the poster for the Harley Davidson lady.
Yeah. Come on, Emmy, come over this way.
Try the other one. I think the other one's faster.
Yeah, Emmy, remember how your dad told you this one's a better scooter? Maybe you should try this.